Good morning, students of class 9th. In this video, I'll be providing you instructions about pre-final examination of science. These are the general instructions for the pre-final examination. Number 1, the science exam will be an online examination. That means this is an online exam. Number 2, the examination will be of 80 marks. The science examination will be of 80 marks. The exam will be in objective and subjective form. It means this examination, which is of 80 marks, it will be in the form of objective as well as subjective. इन ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म आपको एमसीक्यूज आएंगे और सब्जेक्टिव में शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग आंसर्स. The objective paper part A and subjective paper part B of 80 marks will be an online exam in the Google form and will be uploaded in the video gallery of the school app. This means that this objective paper part A and subjective paper part B, this you have to upload in the video gallery of the school app. The objective paper will be in the form of MCQs. That means जो आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर होगा वो आपका MCQs की फॉर्म में होगा, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन की फॉर्म में होगा. That will be carrying 40 marks. And subjective paper, which is also 40 marks, this has to be attempted on the ruled sheet. और ये आपको ruled sheet के ऊपर इसके आंसर्स नोट डाउन करने होंगे, लिखने होंगे. Now, after attempting subjective exam on rule sheet, click a clear picture of it and convert it into PDF, then upload it in the space provided in the Google form. अब ये आपने क्या करना है, आपने सब्जेक्टिव एग्जाम को करने के बाद एक क्लियर पिक्चर लेनी है उसकी और उसको कन्वर्ट कर देना है PDF की फॉर्म में, and then upload this PDF in the space which is provided in the Google form. जो आपका गूगल फॉर्म में पेपर होगा उस स्पेस में आपने इस PDF को अपलोड कर देना है. The PDF of the answer sheet has to be sent to the class email ID. And this PDF of answer sheet, this you have to send it to class email ID also, which is class9th.vips.ldh@gmail.com. ठीक है. अब आपने क्या करना है, सेकंड जो प्रोसीजर है, आपने ये वाली जो PDF है, आंसर शीट है जो, उसको आपने क्लास ईमेल आईडी पर भी सेंड करना है. एंड ऑल्सो सबमिटेड इन दी मेन स्कूल ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे बिटवीन 9 AM to 11 AM. अब आपने जो आंसर्स लिखे हैं उनको सबमिट कहाँ कर देना है, मेन स्कूल में कर देना है. जो आपकी शीट रेडी है उसको आपने मेन स्कूल में सबमिट कर देना है और नेक्स्ट डे, एंड टाइमिंग विल बी 9 to 11 AM. Now, the timings of the exam will be 9 AM to 12 PM. जो आपका एग्जाम टाइम होगा साइंस का वो 9 AM से स्टार्ट होकर 12 PM तक होगा. एंड सबमिशन टाइम is from 12 PM to 1 PM. That means sometimes आप एक्सटेंडेड टाइम आपको प्रोवाइड करवाया गया है 12 PM to 1 PM. समटाइम आप नहीं एबल होते इन दिस टाइम पीरियड, यू आर नॉट एबल टू अपलोड योर PDF फाइल, सो दिस इज द एक्सटेंडेड टाइम पीरियड. Do mention your name, class, section, roll number clearly on the subjective answer sheet, as any sheet received without these details will not be checked. अब आपको पता है कि जो आपने आंसर शीट रेडी करनी है उसमें सबसे पहले आपने अपना नेम, क्लास, सेक्शन एंड रोल नंबर क्लियरली उसके ऊपर आपने मेंशन करना है. ठीक है. अगर आप ये मेंशन नहीं करोगे तो आपकी आंसर शीट चेक नहीं होगी. Attempting objective and subjective exam is compulsory, as the result will be declared only after the assessment of both the exams. objective and subjective, both examination are compulsory. You have to do these two examination, as the result which will be prepared, that will be on the basis of these two examination, and it will be assessed only after getting these two examination. Now the objective exam and the subjective exam should be attempted within the given time, otherwise the paper will not be evaluated. आपका जो एग्जामिनेशन टाइम है आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया गया है, आपने अपने टाइम पीरियड के अंदर ही इसको अटेम्प्ट करना है, एंड वो आपने उसको PDF बना के ईमेल ID पर सेंड भी करना है. Do watch the instruction video carefully for all the subjects. For any query regarding the examination, send an email to the class email, that is class9th.vips.ldh@gmail.com. Now students, you must be clear with all the instructions. I'm just giving you summary of all the instructions, that what you have to do. You have to complete your exam in given time, and then you have to upload subjective paper in the given space, and then you have to send PDF to the class 9th.vips.ldh@gmail.com. उसके बाद आपने नेक्स्ट डे वो आंसर शीट स्कूल में सबमिट करवा देनी है. Now, after instructions, I am just providing you the syllabus of science for pre-final examination. It is having two parts, part A and part B. Part A is objective and part B is subjective. In this syllabus, there is Unit 1 Chemistry, Chapter 2 is Matter Around Us Pure, Chapter 3 Atoms and Molecules, Chapter 4 Structure of the Atom. Unit 2, it consists of biology. Chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. Chapter 6, tissues. Chapter 13, why do we fall ill? And the third unit is physics. It consists of 4 chapters. Lesson number 8, motion. Lesson number 9, force. Chapter 10, gravitation. Chapter 11, work and energy. बच्चे, जो आपका चैप्टर 10 है ग्रेविटेशन, इसमें फ्लोटेशन पार्ट आपका इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, ठीक है, और वर्क एंड एनर्जी चैप्टर में से भी सम पार्ट डिडक्टेड है, वो आपको वीडियो में नहीं सेंड किए गए, इसलिए आपने सिर्फ अकॉर्डिंग टू सिलेबस यू हैव टू डू लेसन नंबर 8 and 9 फुल चैप्टर्स, एंड लेसन 10 ओनली ग्रेविटेशन पार्ट, एंड चैप्टर 11 वर्क एंड एनर्जी. Now this is the marking scheme of science paper. This will consist of objective paper 40 marks, and it is having just MCQs that you have to choose the correct answer from the 4 options, and then next is subjective paper that will also be of 40 marks. This objective and subjective paper, that both these examination consist of 80 marks. Now in subjective paper there will be very short answer type questions that contain carry 1 marks, and there will be 5 such very short answer type questions. In total they are of 5 marks. Then there are short answer type questions which will be of 2 and 3 marks. 5 question of 2 marks and 5 question of 3 marks. Then in the last there are long answer type questions which will be of 5 marks, and there are 2 such questions which will be of 5 marks. So total is 40 marks. This subjective paper will be of 40 marks. You have to write your name, class, roll number, section very clearly on the subjective paper. And if you have any query regarding your examination, you can send it to class 9th email ID, and you will be soon answered.